have in my hand a 10 watt LED light bulb. It's Bayonet style, which basically means the UK type connection on the base, and it's cool white, a sort of a sterile white light. It's available with small parcel, low cost delivery directly from freetv.ie. It's when we say 10 watts, what it mean would be the equivalent of a 60 watt or slightly higher in the old incandescent light bulbs. The life expectancy is massively increased to at least, you'd expect 15,000 hours of continuous use out of this. And the rating on it is A+, so it's extremely high rating in terms of the energy efficiency of it. The price point of these has absolutely collapsed in the last year or two, and the reliability has shot up. So the price point we have on here is virtually equivalent to what you pay for your standard light bulb, while we'll say the reliability, for instance, in things like this, the last production batch of this from last year, it was 10,000 light bulbs on it. The manufacturer recently told me it hadn't a single return on it. Although the price point is so low, maybe it wouldn't anyway, but you know, it's just, they become an extremely reliable product. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do a quick demonstration of the light bulb here. The purpose of this is twofold. Number one, just to come along and show how bright it is, and the second thing to show what a sterile white light looks like, so people can give an indication if it's something they live with. Something I quite like, but I suppose a large, for relaxation, would say people can prefer the warm white, but would say for working environments, things like that, display areas, sterile white probably would be more popular. So here we go, and we can see there. So it's a bright light, and you know, that's like 10 light bulbs, so it's very, very impressive to that extent. So just to recap again, now it's part of a much wider range of bulbs we have, but definitely we've gone for these ones here. I think the 10 and the 12 watts probably will prove to be the most popular, simply because it's pretty well equivalent to what people are used to traditionally. The change-over cost, of course, just the price of the light bulb, it'll go directly into the traditional Irish UK stand fitting. And so that's the 10 watt LED light bulb, Bayonet style, cool white, available with small parcel, low cost delivery directly from freetv.ie.